What's up guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are going to do a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Oppo F19s. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.43-inch AMOLED display with 135Hz touch sampling rate, that's normal touch sampling rate, and 180Hz touch sampling rate for game mode. It has 800 nits peak brightness and 90.8% screen to body ratio. For performance, it has Snapdragon 662 with Adreno 610 GPU. It comes with 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB storage. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts flash charger, and it has single speaker at the bottom. Here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side, battery is at 57% and the room temperature is at 24 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 31 degrees, on the bottom it is 31 degrees, on the back it is 30 degrees, and on the bottom it is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. You can swipe from the edge for Game Assistant, and from here you can block calls, notifications, take screenshots, record the screen, and you get more options for better gaming experience. Now let's look at graphics settings. Balanced graphics with medium frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals look good, colors look decent, and the details are also nice. Controlling is pretty good and I couldn't notice any lag. The punch hole design gives immersive experience, and the sleek body with lightweight makes it easier to hold for longer duration. It's been 16 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 33 to 34 degrees, on the back it is 35 to 36 degrees, and on the bottom it is 34 to 35 degrees. It's been a total of 16.5 minutes and the battery came down to 54%. And after the gaming it is slightly warm. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 3% of battery, which is pretty great. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. The room temperature is still at 24 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees, on the back it is 38 to 40 degrees, and on the bottom it is 35 degrees. The phone is slightly hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took less than 200 photos in those 3 minutes. It's decent, but it can be better. And there is no throttling going on. That's the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Oppo F19s. It has good visuals, immersive experience with the AMOLED display and the punch hole design, good performance, and it is pretty sleek to hold and it's light in hand. And powering all this is 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty good. So what do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.